Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is known as the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi. When did India get Independence Day? 15th August 1947. Where did PM hoist the flag on Independence Day? Red Fort. Which is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. When was Mahatma Gandhi born? 2nd October 1869. Who was the second Prime Minister of India? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who ruled India before independence? British. When did India become a republic nation? 26th February 1950. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which is the national anthem of India? Jan Gan Man. Who wrote Indian national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the head of the India? The President. How many states in India? 28 states. Who is our first freedom fighter? Mangal Pandey. Who is the father of all laws in India? Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Who is the head of state constitution? Governor. Who hoisted the first Indian flag after independence? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. What was the another name of pledge? Declaration of Independence. How long did British rule India? Approximately 89 years. What are the national days of India? Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Who ruled India before the British? Mughals Empire. What is the time duration of National Anthem of India? Approximately 52 seconds. National flag of India was adopted on 22 July 1947. Who formed Indian National Army? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who is the architect of Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In which year was the Indian National Congress formed? 1885. What does the Ashoka Chakra on the Indian national flag represent? The wheel of law. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra on the national flag? 24 spokes. Who suggested Ashoka Chakra in Indian flag? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who gave the slogan "Do or Die" during the Indian freedom struggle? Mahatma Gandhi. Which freedom fighter of India is also known as Punjab Kesari? Lala Lajpat Rai. When did British first come to India? 1608. What are the colors of the Indian national flag? Saffron, white, green and a navy blue wheel. What does the green color in the national flag represent? Faith, fertility and growth. What does the white color in the national flag represent? Peace and truth. What does the saffron color in the national flag represent? Courage and sacrifice. What does the 4 lions on the Indian national emblem imply? Power, courage, confidence and pride. What are the 4 animals depicted on the national emblem of India? Lion, horse, bull and elephant. When was the national anthem of India first publicly sung? 27 December 1911. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Which revolution is associated with the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? India's Green Revolution. Which was the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi? Porbandar. Who was the first and the last Indian Governor General of India? C. Raja Gopalacharya. Whose famous slogan is "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? Subhash Chandra Bose. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? 13 April 1919. Where is Jallianwala Bagh located? Amritsar, Punjab. First woman to hoist Indian flag. Madam Kama. Who is called as Shaheed-e-Azam? Sardar Bhagat Singh. Thank you for watching the Kids Zopedia.